How to trim Instagram video stories. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can trim Instagram video story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now before you try to trim Instagram stories video, you have to understand how long you can actually upload a story for. You can actually upload a story on Instagram without cropping for 60 seconds, which means 1 minute, right? So basically Instagram came up with a new update last week that will allow users to upload a story for actually 1 minute. So if it's a 1 minute video or within inside of that time frame, it is not going to cut the video into any part. To give you a demo, I'm just going to open the Instagram application here. Make sure that you're signed into your account. Now let's just say I want to go ahead and then add a new story over here. I'll select that option here. I'll hit the allow button after I've done this. Now I'll simply go ahead and select, let's say, a long video over here. Let's say that the video is over, let's say, 1 minute, which could be above 60 seconds or anything as such. In that case, what it does is that it is going to use only the 60 seconds of that video, which means that it is not going to put something that is more than that 60 seconds. It is going to automatically remove them and not trim them into different segments. So how do we fix this? Well, to fix this, let's say that you have a 2 minute long video, right? You have to crop that into 2 parts, which is 60 seconds each, and then you have to upload those parts separately on Instagram story. And this can actually be achieved by using this application, which is known as Video Splitter. So you can install a Video Splitter app. You can basically use any one, but the ones I'm going to show you will be from this app, which is by Swap Apps, right? Now I'll go ahead and then open the Video Splitter app. You can just tap the arrow icon here and then just tap the allow option, and now just choose a video that is, let's say, over 1 minute long. So you can say this 2 minutes video, 2 and a 44 minutes video, right? I'll just select that video over here. By default, whenever I upload like this 2 minute video, as I told you earlier, it is only going to actually use the first 60 seconds, but not the rest of the video. It's just going to get disappeared. So we have to trim them into 3 parts. Since it is almost 3 minute video, I'll trim them into 3 parts, 59 seconds, and the remaining on the last minute, right? So over here you can see split now, but in order to do this, we'll select custom option here. By default, it's set to split every 49 seconds. I'll just select split every 59 seconds. When I select split every 58 or maybe just 59 seconds, it is going to crop this into 3 different parts, which is a 3 long video. That's why 3 different parts. If it's a 10-minute long video, it's going to crop them accordingly. Now I can tap the split now option. Now you can see the video will get splitted in these 3 segments. Now you have to find out the first, second, and third segment. And on an Instagram story, you have to upload those segments separately, right? So you have to come back here, you have to open the Instagram application, and now you have to hit the arrow option and then upload those 3 videos separately, which is up to 1 minute long. So as I told you, if you directly upload a video over, let's say, 1 minute, it is going to only put the first 1 minute over your story, and the rest are not going to get trimmed automatically. But if you'd like to upload all the whole story itself, you cannot actually upload 2 minute long story, but you can trim them into different parts, which is 1 minute long videos, and then by achieving that, you'll be able to upload those videos separately after the rendering process has also been completed over here. But to give you a basic context of the idea, this is how you can trim Instagram video story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.